You reside somewhere on this planet, and all that you've ever known exists within its bounds. But just how minuscule is Earth in comparison to the vastness of the universe? Let's begin by expanding our perspective to encompass our nearest celestial companion, the Moon. While it may appear close, casting its luminance across our night skies, the reality is quite different. The Moon isn't as proximal to our planet as it seems. In fact, it lies at an average distance of 384,400 kilometers from you right now. To grasp the enormity of this separation, consider that you could fit 30 entire Earths within this expanse. If one were to travel this distance at a steady 100 kilometers per hour pace, it would require approximately 160 days to complete the journey. Nevertheless, despite this vast gulf, 12 intrepid individuals have ventured forth, standing on its surface, a testament to human ingenuity and achievement. From their vantage point, Earth appears as a distant orb in the cosmos. Communication between them and those back on Earth would entail a delay of about 2.5 seconds, the time it takes for light to travel the expanse. A photograph captured on Mars offers another perspective, depicting Earth as a mere speck on the Martian horizon. On average, Mars lies an astonishing 225 million kilometers from Earth, with the potential distance stretching to 401 million kilometers. Thus, any future human landing on Mars would find themselves significantly farther from Earth than those who set foot on the Moon. Moreover, the communication lag between Mars and Earth is far greater, averaging around 20 minutes each way, rendering instantaneous communication during emergencies unfeasible. Further still, beyond the confines of our planetary system, lies the Voyager 1 space probe, the most distant man-made object from Earth. Currently positioned 162 astronomical units away, where 1 AU represents the distance between the Earth and the Sun, Voyager 1 is a staggering 162 times more distant than our closest star. At some juncture in its interstellar odyssey, Voyager 1 captured an image, a seemingly unremarkable snapshot that, in my estimation, stands as the pinnacle of human photography, encapsulating the profound vastness and grandeur of the cosmos. This tiny, pale blue dot is Earth, and I don't think that anybody has ever said something as amazing about this as Carl Sagan when he said, "If you look at it, you see a dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. On it, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever lived out their lives. The aggregate of all our joys and sufferings. Thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines, every hunter and every forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilizations, every king and every peasant, every young couple in love, every hopeful child, every mother and every father, every inventor and explorer, every teacher of morals, every corrupt politician, every superstar, every supreme leader, every saint and sinner in the history of our species lived there, on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. Voyager 1 is currently hurtling through space at a staggering pace of 17 kilometers per second. Despite this remarkable velocity, it will remain within the confines of our solar system for another 30,000 years before venturing beyond. Once we transcend the boundaries of our solar system, we enter the realm of interstellar distances, measured in light years, a unit representing the distance light travels in 1 Earth year, approximately 9.461 trillion kilometers. Proxima Centauri, the nearest star beyond our Sun, resides a formidable 4.24 light-years away. To illustrate the magnitude of this distance, even if Voyager 1 were on course for Proxima Centauri, it would require over 70,000 years to reach its destination at its current velocity. In simpler terms, a journey akin to driving a car at 100 kilometers per hour, as in our earlier example to the Moon, would surpass 6 times the age of the universe, with Proxima Centauri likely long extinguished before arrival. Expanding our perspective further, we encounter the vast expanse of the Milky Way galaxy, home to Earth, and the extent of humanity's radio transmissions, depicted by a yellow dot. Beyond this boundary lies a realm of silence, with potential extraterrestrial civilizations unaware of humanity's existence. The Milky Way spans over 100,000 light-years, hosting more than 100 billion stars and planets. Yet, the night sky reveals only a fraction of this grandeur, with 99% of visible stars confined to a minuscule portion. However, Even the vastness of the Milky Way pales in comparison to the broader cosmos. Zooming out yet again, we encounter the local group of galaxies, comprising 54 distinct galaxies spanning approximately 10 million light-years. And beyond lies the Virgo supercluster, a colossal aggregation of galaxies, expanding our perspective even further into the unfathomable depths of the universe. The local group, encompassing numerous galaxies including our own, is but a minute fraction of the vast cosmic tapestry. Within this expansive framework lie at least 100 other galaxy groups akin to our own. Spanning an astonishing 110 million light-years from end to end, this cosmic conglomeration dwarfs our terrestrial comprehension. However, even the monumental Virgo supercluster itself, a sprawling structure hosting our galaxies and a staggering 100,000 others, is merely a small sector within the colossal Laniakea supercluster. Laniakea, a colossal entity, spans a staggering 520 million light-years, housing galaxies beyond reckoning. Yet even within this titanic expanse lies the observable universe, a boundless expanse containing all that we currently perceive, housing a mind-boggling 2 trillion galaxies, each harboring more stars than grains of sand on Earth. The observable universe spans an unimaginable distance. The journey from Earth to any edge of the observable universe measures 46.5 billion light-years, rendering its entire width an incomprehensible 93 billion light-years. Yet what lies beyond this observable realm remains a fascinating enigma. While the observable universe represents the extent of our current perception, the cosmos beyond may stretch infinitely further, shrouded in mystery. Some regions, expanding away from us faster than light itself, will forever remain beyond our sight, their light never reaching our humble abode. This expansive cosmic tableau, as vast as it may seem, represents but a minute fraction of the entirety of existence. According to the theory of cosmic inflation posited by Dr. Alan Guth, the true expanse of the universe may exceed our wildest imaginations. If inflation commenced a mere 10 to the 37th of a second after the Big Bang, and assuming the universe's size before inflation equaled its age, multiplied by the speed of light, then the present-day universe could be a staggering 150 sextillion times larger than the observable universe. To put this into perspective, imagine perceiving the observable universe as a mere light bulb, only to realize that the entirety of existence surpasses even the former planet of Pluto in size. We, like inhabitants within the bulb on Pluto, remain oblivious to the vastness that lies beyond our perceptual horizon. In the face of this cosmic grandeur, our existence may seem infinitesimally small. Yet, rather than despair, let us embrace the boundless opportunities for discovery that await us. Together we embark on a journey of exploration, digging into the mysteries of the cosmos that stretch far beyond our current comprehension. What do you think about this? Leave it here in the comments and take the opportunity to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.